Are you ready to finally turn your digital ideas into reality? Whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, finding the right 3D printer can be a game changer. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 machines that dominate the market right now, from the best value for your wallet to the ultimate powerhouse for professionals. We have tested speed, quality, and usability to bring you the definitive guide. Stick around because we are counting down the absolute best 3D printers you can buy today, starting with a phenomenal entry-level option that redefines what affordable really means. All the buy links for these incredible machines are waiting for you in the description below, so make sure to check them out. And if you are ready to level up your workshop, hit that like button, share this with your fellow makers, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Starting at number 1, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 3D printer stands out as the absolute best value on the market today. This machine is fast, affordable, and genuinely fun to use, making it a rare find for entry-level hobbyists who want to jump into 3D printing without a massive investment. It delivers print quality and features typically seen on much more expensive models, and while it might lack some of the high-end bells and whistles found on my other picks, the value proposition is undeniable. I love how the design reflects a playful spirit, like the included waste bin model that clips to the back, which isn't just a bland box but a tiny replica of the Centauri Carbon itself. This playful nature extends to the setup process, which is incredibly simple, with a box-to-benchy time of just 1 hour and 11 minutes, the fastest I have found to date. The Elegoo team has done a great job balancing a streamlined user interface with robust options through their custom version of the Orca Slicer, which tucks away advanced features for those who like to tinker while keeping things simple for beginners. A recent software update added integration for Nexprint, their own 3D model site, making it incredibly easy to download projects straight into the slicer. Moving on to number 2, the QIDI Q2 3D printer takes the crown for the best mid-range option, especially if you need to print with durable materials that can withstand high heat and prolonged sun exposure. It lacks some of the conveniences found on higher-end models, but it is priced accordingly, making it a standout choice for a fully enclosed, single-color printer capable of handling robust filaments. The Q2 excels in 2 specific areas: printing materials that require higher nozzle temperatures and potentially produce more fumes, and keeping most customization options readily apparent for those who like to dial in specific settings. Unpacking and setting up the Q2 is easy, with a box-to-benchy time of 1 hour and 20 minutes, though the quick start guide can be a bit light on details and occasionally skips steps, which might pose a challenge for first-timers. However, once it takes over the calibration process, everything becomes a breeze. I found almost everything worked right out of the gate, and for those who like to tweak, there is a helpful library of tuning tutorials available. It features single-band 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for sending files directly to the printer and an interior camera for remote monitoring. Next up, we have the Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer, which I consider the best choice for printing flexible filaments. I have a lot of affection for this machine, as it was one of the first to come mostly assembled with clear instructions, and it remains an attractive and affordable option today. While it is older than most of my recommendations, it still compares favorably to newer models in terms of setup time, with a box-to-benchy time of about 1.5 hours. I still use this printer regularly, especially when printing TPU or other flexible filaments, because its open frame and durability manage heat exceptionally well, preventing the sticky, stringy messes that can plague enclosed printers. Unfortunately, the design has started to show its age. It doesn't have Wi-Fi, so you will need to set up a controller or use an SD card, and with a max speed of 250 mm per second, it is far slower than modern printers. It also has a smaller print bed, no camera, and no error detection. The quality you get is heavily dependent on your ability to dial in the settings, as it lacks advanced calibration features like input shaping, requiring you to hand calibrate everything. On the plus side, this makes it wide open to tweaking and a great choice if you love to tinker and optimize performance. Coming in at number 4, the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra 3D printer is hands down the best option for printing miniatures. Testing this machine was an exercise in delight and frustration, as there is no disputing its incredible print quality, especially when producing beautifully detailed game miniatures, but I ran into regular obstacles with poor documentation. Resin printers like this are especially popular with gamers for their ability to generate layers as thin as 0.01 mm, giving you sharp visual details that are impossible with typical FDM printers. The Mars 5 Ultra is an especially good way to learn resin printing, thanks to its tilt-release resin vat that reduces suction forces between the build plate and the vat, making separation easier and allowing for smaller support points. This means you spend less time adjusting settings or removing support marks and more time enjoying your finished prints. And finally, rounding out our list at number 5 is the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max, the best mainstream resin 3D printer on the market. This machine is fast, precise, and features exceptional automatic resin handling, making it a great choice for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike. It can generate everything from the smallest miniatures up through exceptionally large models, with easy-to-use remote monitoring and resin management that works entirely behind the scenes. The printer's light source system easily handles the most stringent calibration files down to the 10-micron level, delivering remarkable print quality at a very reasonable price. For professionals, its build quality approaches industrial-grade standards with exceptional reliability and the ability to print fine details, making it perfect for rapid prototyping and short-run manufacturing. And there you have it, the top 5 3D printers that are currently transforming workshops and garages everywhere. Whether you are looking for the incredible value of the Elegoo Centauri Carbon or the professional-grade power of the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max, there is a perfect machine here for every budget and skill level. We have included all the direct buy links in the description below, so you can grab your favorite right now. If this guide helped you make a decision, please do us a huge favor, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who is thinking about getting into 3D printing, and subscribe to the channel for more honest and in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!